Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem faced by data analysts and spreadsheet enthusiasts. The problem at hand involves having datasets in two columns. Column A is populated with numbers ranging from 0 to 50, while column B contains corresponding percentages. The task is to calculate the average percentage within a specified range based on the numbers in column A. It might sound a bit tricky at first, but fret not, as we get a simple solution for you. Let's start with the first solution provided. By using the formula equals aggregates B equals 0, A equals 10, we can effortlessly find the average percentage of the dataset falling within the range of 0 to 10 in column A. This formula considers the values in column A that are greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 10, subsequently calculating the average of the corresponding percentages in column B. Pretty nifty, right? Moving on to an alternative approach, we can also utilize the filter function for the same task. With the formula equals average filter A equals 0 asterisk A equals 10, we can achieve the desired result with a different method. Here, the filter function is employed to extract the percentages from column B based on the condition that the corresponding values in column A are within the range of 0 to 10. The average function then calculates the average of these filter percentage values. Two different techniques, same outcome. To summarize, we've explored two efficient methods to calculate the average percentage from a specified range in the given datasets. Whether you prefer the aggregates function or the filter function, both approaches can simplify your data analysis tasks. I hope you found this solution helpful and insightful. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks. See you next time.